Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to Next Level English Prep. Today, we're focusing on a really useful expression, used to. We use used to talk about things that were true or happened regularly in the past, but are not true now. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use it correctly. Take a look at these sentences. What time period do they talk about? We use used to talk about habits or states that were true in the past but aren't true anymore. We use it to talk about repeated actions or things that were true for a period of time, not something that just happened one time. So instead of saying, I lived in Vietnam in the past, but I do not live in Vietnam now, I can just say, I used to live in Vietnam. It's much easier to say and to understand. One thing to keep in mind is that used to is always about the past, and it means something was true then, but not now. And we don't need to know exactly when it was true, just that it was something that happened repeatedly, or was true for a length of time, at some point in the past. Let's look at how to form it. In positive sentences, used to is followed by the base form of the verb, or verb 1. I used to drink coffee. In questions and negative sentences, we use the base form of used to, since the auxiliary verb did plus not didn't is in the past. The main verb also remains in the base form of the verb. I didn't used to like dogs. Did you used to like English? Notice that in the negative and question forms, we use, not used, because did is already in the past. Let's answer some questions about this sentence to make sure you understand. I used to live in New York. Did I live in New York in the past? Yeah, I did. Do I live there now? No, I don't live in New York now. Can we use used to for things happening right now? No, it's only for past habits or states that are not true anymore. Let's talk about pronunciation for a second. Used to is pronounced used to, like used to. The duh sound in the used is silent, and the words are connected. Used to. It's kind of fun to say. Go ahead and practice a few times. Used to. So we say, I used to play football. She didn't used to like coffee. Did you used to live here? Can you find the errors in these sentences? Go ahead and pause the video while you work. Were you able to fix all the mistakes? Now, let's fill in the blanks with used to. That wasn't too hard, was it? Make sure your spelling's correct, though. Now, see if you can answer these questions out loud or leave them in the comments below. That brings us to the end of today's lesson on used to. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our mini grammar lessons playlist for more helpful videos.